What are you drawing on there? Who's queso? Oh my god.
600
pounds. That's nice. All right, Kai. We're going to replace the distributor cap. Distributor cap.
What?
How does this one look?
Same as that one.
Exactly. This one looks cleaner, right?
Kind of.
All right. This is
a little bit of rust in that one.
This one?
Yeah, and the cable's like
cooked. Yep. It's actually one of them is ripped. So we're going to put these brand new ones on this brand new one, and this is what gives electricity to our spark plugs, which makes the gas go and hopefully makes the car run. All right, here we go. Let's try it out. You want to help?
Sure.
All right, so at this point, I'm going to save you from watching this terrible angle the entire time. I switched out the new distributor cap and then quickly realized that the wires that I had that came with the car were not going to work. So I stuck with the original wires. Ended up going out and buying a new package and just flipping out one of them just to get it running. Eventually, I'll go ahead and swap them all out. I also went ahead and plugged up the intake manifold, put the new thermostat in and the thermostat housing, and then had to wait a little while before we could fill it up with some antifreeze. All right, I'm really excited to start this thing up, but I gotta wait about a half hour, and I am having a hard time waiting. So I'm gonna go run to the gas station, grab a few sodas, and then by the time I get back, we're gonna start it. Here's the hardest part. I can't get the radiator cap off. Can't get this off. Lift, turn, turn. What in the heck? Am I an idiot? Yes. But how? Oh my god. This is insane. I'm gonna break it. Oh my. Oh, what in the? All right, I chat GPD'd it. It says to lift this all the way up. Let's get this first there. Lift it all the way up, which doesn't look like it's all the way up. And then push down while doing it. Come on. Oh, chat GDP or GTP to the rescue. Yeah. Okay, we got oil pressure. Pull it forward. I got brakes. Got drive. Turn the lights on. I don't have reverse. Oh, that's not good. I don't have reverse. That sucks. Okay, I thought I had a reverse. We don't have reverse. How am I gonna get it back in the garage? I can't push it. I don't know how to get. It's raining out. I need to get this back in the garage though. It's gotta. Come on. Maybe. Come on. It's gotta work. Gotta have reverse. Oh, I got reverse. We got reverse. We got forward. We lost reverse. I don't know why I don't have a great reversage. Maybe it's automatic fluid, transmission fluid. We'll have to look at that. Success, kind of. We have a little bit of reverse, not full reverse, but that's okay. It's still ridiculously loud, so I got to get that exhaust put on there before I really start messing with this more and starting it. Thanks, everybody. That's awesome. This is awesome.